okay po, turuan na kayo kung paano mag-top up. So, click top up. Then, top up. Si Angelica, mag-top up yung pong 1,000. So, i-click this, 1,000. Then, recharge. Ay, Maya yan eh. Sorry. So, go back. Bigyan po ako yung tutitang kain na. So, click yan po ng Maya or Gcash. So, Gcash siya po. Then, recharge. Then, open. Then, pay. That's it. Okay, tapos mong tatapo kitang Nova Lucia ng Angelica. So, lagyan tayo po ng linog niya. So, linog niya po. Back. So, ito na po 1,000. Okay?